Bro.
It's very sad, nigga.
Very sad, man.
Yeah. They used to say Black Friday, but today is Black Wednesday. Bro, I'm sure you guys might have heard the incident that occurred with a military aircraft helicopter by a friend Z9 has crashed somewhere inside Obuasi on its way to a program where dignitaries are expected to arrive. Yeah, so earlier on, the military posted a release saying that one of their aircraft is off the radar.
Off the radar.
Yeah, meaning they have a radar, an app that they use to track the movement of helicopter from one destination to the arrival of the other destination. I said boat, the way you can follow your right direction, yeah. But once they were doing it, it got to a point where the aircraft was out of the radar. And they need to send back up to go and check up on what is happening actually. So upon arrival, Yanya Kote said the plane or the aircraft is somewhere landing down in a bush in Obuasi, which was stated that there were 8 members on board, 3 which were crew and 5 were passengers. And also allegedly or stated that there is a minister in the craft which has passed out. Yet to confirm, but that's what is coming out from me. Do you know why this story is so touching to me? Because I also have a representative over there under that program that the aircraft is going to. And God being so good, they didn't use aircraft. They used the road. Ba, obi free, airco baby, wakranimba, wakranenile, wakrane busafo, me ekwe jumaba. I'm going to this place and come. Then the next thing here, the person is no more with you. Not that it be a jale no woo in an accident. You see, one thing with accident, when it's about to happen, there's nothing you can do to save yourself. We need to yapan. Now kubu. Me kohoko yede, eni me baha be yede now. Before I show you some footages from that side, let's listen to a report that a representative over there has given us about the whole incident and what has really happened over there.
A programmer na Obuasi Municipal that is launching of community cooperative mining. Yeah, community cooperative mining. And under the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. And Ningina is a buying a critique a Juma Ediama youth in Nipa. Bako individual and companies are on bit me mine and Ghana for. And so the Minister of Defense, the Minister of Interior and other dignitaries so mobile program the program not started 9:30 exactly and so by 10:30 and the regional minister in your course Defense Minister and then Interior Minister and other dignitaries are on plane, no emergency landing, and papa. So the regional minister has to leave the program. Normal rush into ECO Adanse Akrofum district. But then the community, no say friend Kojo Krum, Kojo Krum near Sikaman. And that is what we had, and the pictures and the videos near dinner. Among for a posting on social media now. I am not the eyewitness, but you are seeing a feed from platform in the
So that was it. A report from that side getting to us. But before I leave you, I want you to watch some footages from the scene where the helicopter was being found.